Kevin here, Bent Rod Garage, back again on the trunk. These don't want to sit. That just feels weird. So, you know, we're gonna get at it again. More to do on the trunk. More spots to just take care of. Let's get this wrapped up so I can get moved over to the front floorboard. Has come in, so I'm currently doing some stuff up there. So, hey, come along for the ride. Glad you're here. So what I've got here in the trunk, right here, I'm going to start taking care of this little crack right here, and then I'm going to see about patching up these two little holes, and probably get back over here and just take care of some of the little, things like that. So that's really what I got going on right now. I've already cleaned this up. Already got some bare metal on there. I'm going to go ahead and tack weld that up. I do have an angle grinder coming in, so I will be able to hopefully grind this stuff a little bit more smoother, a little bit better, have it look a little better. But that's what we're doing. So let me show you that floorboard. So here's the floorboard I got in. This is the one that I am going to put in up front. We're currently working on soaking this bolt right here. See if I can get that loose. I do probably need to get some on the bottom side of that as well. Now I'm thinking about it. So this is just bad. And if anything, I got heat. So we'll add some heat to it. And it's just a matter of figuring out where I'm going to take this thing apart at. What seams am I going to go for? I may have to make some other little patch pieces. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see when we get there and get it apart. So I'm excited to get started over on this side as well. First, trunk. I got to finish the trunk up. And then we'll work on this. So let me get this thing buttoned up. Well, apparently, while I'm moving my camera around, I turned it off. I wanted to show you what I was doing as far as welding up a crack in the trunk. And I was explaining how it was coming out. There was a crack right here. I was really struggling. With how it was welding, but I decided I was going to go ahead and continue with it because if it didn't come out good, I could always cut this whole section out and take care of it at that point instead of maybe just patching the two smaller areas. But I've welded it. I think it's come out good. I've done a little angle grinder on it. It's this big flat disc right here. That one's too big to get really down in there and get the detail of this thing. Not that, I mean, it's beat up as it is, so I'm not trying to be fancy with it, but I did want to clean it up, make it look a little nicer. I think it came out okay. I really do. So I just need to attack this little spot here and this little spot here, and then probably get through here and take care of some of these other spots, these holes that are just randomly through here, and then we can see about getting up there to that front floorboard. So focus is on here right now, cleaning up this area. Also, probably a little something right there, a little patch panel right there. Might as well, and get all this cleaned up, sprayed up, make it look a little nicer. Seam sealer around the trunk, take care of these bad spots, this old stuff, and yeah, go from there. So this is where we're at. I'm gonna continue to knock this out and see where we get from this point on. All right, thanks for hanging out. We're just gonna get you going on this. Just continuation. Here we go. Now, what I'm probably gonna do here is just chop this piece out here. I'm not even gonna really draw lines and follow lines like I normally do. Just going to use this disc here. And I just feel like I'm not achieving a good look here. But just going to knock this out here, around these corners here. This one probably do the same thing. Cut out a patch, tack it in, Call it good. Same thing right up there. Just a little patch. So you hear? Ready? Oh, God bless. Look at that. 1 wire, 2 wire, 3 wire, 4 wire. I have a lot of wire I got to replace in this back section. It's okay. I'll get to it. For now, patch panel. Okay, here we are. Patch panel. So I'll use these right here. Cut off this corner right here. A little oversized probably. I like to go oversized on it. I can always cut more off if I need to. I want to try to get a nice tight fit. Just like that. This has a little bent corner, so let's flatten that out some. Okay. Flat corner taken care of. Back in here, I need magnet. Now let's try to stick this on here. Okay. Stand right about there. First corner is going to be this close corner here. There we go. This it's smooth across, so put a couple more tacks in there. Just go ahead and puddle across that. It's good. That little shape down. Try from the other side here. There we go. I'm going to take a little bit of material off. I figure. So that I can get that to slide up and in. If I can pry it past it, I can beat it back down. That's the other option. There we go. Click. Okay. Good there. It's got to be filled in. There's some crummy looking welds on that corner, but if I go too much higher on the heat and feed, it blows through real quick. So I'm really trying to keep keep it from doing that. So, you know, it'll grind down. It's just build up. It'll grind down. So, I'm gonna give you a little before and after on the grinding. Okay, you can see that's real boogery. It is, but there's a lot of buildup that had to happen in that weld just to fill in. But let me hit it with the grinder, flap disc, and get it down some. I won't get it down all the way, but let me get it down some, and you'll see how much it cleans up. You have a small pinhole in one spot that I see, but you know, it's not bad at all. Cleans up pretty nice. Once I get that 2-inch angle grinder and I hit that, I can really get in there and get that cleaned up a little bit more than what it is. But I do see one little spot. I'm gonna hit that real quick, get it sealed up, and we'll see about taking care of this other little hole back here in the back. This one right here. Boop. So this first. All right. So that's my process. That's what I'm doing. So we'll get this little hole taken care of and go through and take care of some other little spots that are in here and bring you to that. But there's no reason to show you this again step by step. So yeah, why not? Huh? What do you think? Type down there below in comments. Let me know. You like it? Would you do it? Would you even try? You know, here I am. I'm a novice. It just takes a little bit of work. Again, this is just a little flux core welder. No gas needed. A little titanium from the old Hobo Freight. And man, I got it on sale. I think it was $159. You know, some of the other accessorized with it. Just means it was about altogether. I think I paid a little over $200 for everything, just to get started. So that's where we're at, boys and gals. So appreciate it. Once again, this is Kevin with Bent Rod Garage. Welding process. Trunk of 57.